How to change Snapchat username with the new update. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Snapchat username with the new update, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Snapchat app on my phone. So if you have accidentally written an incorrect Snapchat username, or you're just tired of the one that you have now and want to change it, then you will need to click right here in the top left corner. Now when we have come here, then we need to click on this settings wheel. When you have come to this page, then we need to click where it says username. You will now need to click right here, and now you can see that you can only change your Snapchat username once a year. So be really careful that you change your username to something that you actually want to have. Otherwise, you will need to wait a whole year to change it again. So we need to click on continue. Now write the new username and don't forget to click here to change it. So this is exactly how to change Snapchat username with the new update. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.